Okay, good morning everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to do anime recommendation with sentiment analysis collaborative filtering. So we're going to boost the collaborative filtering, the user-based one with sentiment analysis. So first we're going to need a data set called the anime reviews. We're going to find it over here. So in Kaggle to find this we're going to search for anime review here, and then we're going to scroll down into this anime review file, and we're going to get this CSV file here. So it's by Needy, it's updated 10 months ago, and we're going to just download this to wherever you like. So first I'm going to click the download button and wait for this to finish loading. And here we're gonna have this file here. So I just need to open this, and we're going to copy this to documents and anime reviews. I'm going to put it here. So because it's a text and it has comma inside, if we input it, it will show some weird thing. It's gonna create new column for those, because it delimits the comma. So in order to resolve that problem, we're going to convert it to Excel file. So to do that, we need Python to do it. So we're going to open the Visual Studio Code, and we have the all reviews file here, and we're going to just create a new file and then convert to excel.py here. For this to convert to Excel, we need pandas module and OpenPyXL module. So we need to install it first. So we're going to just go to the terminal and pip install pandas. Then we're going to do this too, OpenPyXL for PyXL. Now to convert it, we're going to need the import pandas. It's just 3 lines of code, so it's not gonna be that hard. We're going to our df1. We're going to create the variable df1 with to read the Excel file. So we're going to make it shorter to make it easier. So pd.read. Oh wait, it's loading. Read CSV file, and we're going to put the file path here. The file path is the all reviews one, and then after reading this, we're just gonna convert it to Excel file. So we're going to put it to Excel, and we're going to put the name here. So we're just going to put the name here as anime dot no, we're not going to put it. We're going to put it anime dot xlsx. So it's basically the name already, and we're going to convert it to Excel just by clicking this run Python file button. And here a new file will be created called anime.xlsx. So by using this thing, we're not gonna like use it that fast, because it will create error like this. I'm going to import and put the anime reviews one and anime.excel file, and we'll see the error loading should contain the reason the selected Excel file seems to be malformed. So to resolve this, we need to go to the Excel file first. As you can see, there is this data over here. It's over 2.5k. We're going to just save as. We're going to put the same name. It's okay if you want to use other name. So I'm just going to replace this. After I replace this, it will work now. So let you see. I open the anime file and it works here. So to do some anime recommendation with sentiment analysis, we're going to read the Excel file and the anime reviews. Just go to next and it will automatically open this and choose all range here. And we're just going to exclude something we don't need here, like you see this different thing here. This one have the same, so we're going to just exclude because it just already have the row column. Exclude it, and this one we leave it be because this is the user ID, anime name, given rating and review rating, and the review here. And actually we don't really need this too, but I'm just going to let it show. I'm going to finish it. After this, we're going to replace some text here using the regular expression. So here we're going to remove two words here. As you can see, there's this thing about this the rating. We're not going to need this, so we're going to just remove this with the space, of course. So here the regular expression is as in here, and then we're going to replace all the symbols. The number is also going to be removed because it won't be used in the sentiment analysis. And here too, the square brackets, for the square brackets. Then here, this is to extract the sentiment to score the review. To get this extract sentiment, we need to go to the marketplace. So here is recommend. Then find the text processing one. It won't show here because I already installed it, so I'm gonna show you at the manage extension. We only need this recommender extension and text processing. We don't need the other both, so we just need that too. The text processing one is for the extract sentiment, so we're gonna use this. Use default tokenization regex regular expression with fader model and text attribute of the review. After that we're going to normalize it based on their score. If you're confused why there is a score there, because extract sentiment gives new column called score here. So I'm going to filter it single score and with range transformation of 1 to 10. And here is to set the role. This is the anime name of the item and the user ID. I forgot to change this, so to rename it, just need to rename, or maybe we're just going to make it easier just by renaming it here. No, not this one. As user ID. Okay. There we won't get the error anymore, I think. Here we're going to re-import. Oh, it doesn't work like that. Go in here, exclude, and let this be, and finish it. And it won't show error anymore. So here we're going to set the role, the score as the label. We call it the target. So it's not the review rating anymore, so it's gonna be the sentiment score we're going to use here. The anime name is item identification. The user ID column is the user identification. So we're going to split it with 70% and 30% with shuffled sampling to make it fun. So here, if you already installed the recommender extension, you're gonna get this user k nearest neighbor by searching collaborative filtering, and the rating prediction one has it, and the item recommendation. So we're gonna use the the rating prediction user k nearest neighbor here, put it here, and we're going to apply the model. To apply the model, you just need to search for it too. Choose the rating prediction one in order for this to work. If you use the item recommendation, it won't work. It won't work because it has different mod here. So we're going to put the first partition to the user k nearest neighbor and put the mod to the apply model, and then the second, the 30% one, the test data we call it, we're going to put it to this query set, and the result will be multiplied for both performance. And then this one is to sort it. We're going to set the role again because we're not gonna see the score anymore here. We're gonna put it to regular and select attribute. We're just going to remove the score one and just put this thing here, and we're going to filter it with the specified user ID. So it's number 2 here. The second one, okay. We're going to remove the duplicates because in the comments there could be 2 comments for one user ID. So we're just going to remove duplicates for the anime name so it won't show double. And here we find the root mean square error of 0.451 and MAE of 0.311 and normalized MAE of 0.035. And here we got this anime name for the user ID of 2. We got a prediction of 3.771, or we could say the highest here. So the score doesn't matter here, the prediction doesn't matter. We're going to just need this file for the recommendation, and we need this anime name, and that's how the recommendation works there. And okay, thank you for your attention.